I start to summarize the semiconductor device class. First, we learned about degenerate semiconductor. The definition of degenerate semiconductor is when we doped a lot with positive or negative charge. The energy band gap is increasingly narrow, so sometimes finally the conduction band is lower than Fermi level. So in case of it, many mobile carrier like electron is formed. So amount of velocity is higher than before. So finally, this semiconductor lose their own characteristics of semiconductor. So their characteristics is like metal. So we can say this semiconductor is degenerate semiconductor. And next we learned about drift velocity. Drift velocity is equal mobility by electric field. The current density J is equal to Q by N by mu by E. The part of Q by N means volume charge density, and mu by E, the part of mu by E means drift velocity. Drift velocity is equal mu by electric field. Lastly, we learned about carrier scattering. There are many examples of carrier scattering. We typically learned about 3 carrier scattering. First is ionized impurity scattering, and second is phonon scattering, and last is surface roughness scattering. Ionized impurity scattering is by Coulomb force, by positive or negative doped. So when we positive or negative doped, we get doped. The free electron or free mobile carrier is influenced by Coulomb force. So velocity of mobile carrier is lower than before. Next, phonon scattering is influenced by temperature. So as temperature is higher, the lattice of semiconductor, lattice of silicon is vibrating. So electron is hard to move fast. And the last is surface roughness scattering. This scattering is regardless of temperature. This is only happened in surface of semiconductor.